The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
On the 2nd of August 2024, the Rationalisation Committee, chaired by Commissioner and Secretary of the Education Department, Vijay Kumar, met to address the demands of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association or the AMSNSA. Following the meeting, the association's president, Jennifer Sandrem, told reporters that the discussions were unproductive. She criticized the committee's decision to raise salaries for only a select group of members, a move the association rejected. Sandrem announced that the association would persist with their sit-in protest until their demands are met.
Expected outcome but ni ru kum ki member ni mun namar balai nimpat namar kadibendan kat kum ke terms and reference ni point gitu point ni dalam cover gitu point ti kalau waste of time ni ru kalau use ka sang man set ni ka committee tingi ru kum ka association hingi bangim pau bangim hun ya kan ka bangia one mentas ni hoi ki ong ngin shong biang ngin shong ka no sen ngin shong ka din chip dai to menta ki khat sa sin hala sni Thursday kaka tayo kan wan timantangin wan biang chani kaka wi sni kan wan kan shim banai ni ar banai ni lai banai ni imtip ya kata tendai hindi ngi kat bapat yo hi ka demand jungi ka 40% kata ka 1% ba tak 4% hi ni ngim ya pra nang teng ngin ya sit in demonstration baik ka agitation jungi kan continue baik hadu bangin dala yo ta demand jungi ba ti ngile akom nang inform ni association di ban agitate ya hindi bangin wan chani agitation inform ni association ka di belai mengin sos nei te ki jadieng ni lumi pisah kan dia kan sai kat bangi don a na para member itu ki pisah bangi yo pan ni patch association sai syaki tu ki yeng kisam yo kita nomor dan tek ki yeng kisam ba sole member mo earning member mo pa ne ka kami ne te tek ide kimi tek ide pa majority kumbalai ngo songot ni ide ki pa juga yeng tina kata kadau kinalor ki di ba besai ka yung sem tina kata kadau ngi collect kata kapisa ngi ashaki kata ka di ka jimut bangi lumi ka di ka bangi form ka di ka association ka jongi ndai andang ipet pada prasnam bagimle yangi tingiwan ka ban yang mo ndai ada ka kim penhun ngi kumni tingi ru so diau ka jingkhia ni nak bendai mentar penchule by force aka berkhoi pim ailan ngi bangin penilang ngi yaki taki jingkhen jingdia kina kalian ka jongi ru kai kindia kasai mo nimla kan bangin ong ba in rai bangin shim kata ka ik ba mentang si kila ada ban discuss te hoi ngitep kidi bri bubun kam ndai ngi diben suthu ru ka kam juni ru kala long ba kongsan mar ngila ka po juni ru kala kli te ka yin kasam ka jongi khon kiti jongi ru la jenja na kata kadau ngi trai ru hata ka jaka ka ba ka pati ba yangi ka bangi ha bande ita ki khon kiti ba khambon ju sho ba kandai lak e ka jaka ka ri jongi ndai wala kata la da ki kim suthu yangi menta kin chupen jlan sa community ngiru ngim la ka ngim hun bat ngim accept bat ngiru ngim la bande ka nika banchu penjalan ka po ikwa ngi kerparuhi ba makin dale kata committee bakil afom pengin le no good pendap nak hikam ngiru bangin yo le chla ki yengsa ngimdon desisya ngimdon kam sebanyak kemdu namar balai I chief minister la ahi ketua order bagi di terms and condition ru bila asat himai tengah try ikut atau mungkin kata komiti bahkan pendap nak kamram kamkloi tangga tahi ke jing kerpat ke jumi member